C8 Corvette mid-engine layout gives it the appearance of an Italian exotic, but there will always be those that want an even more extreme look. The aftermarket scene for these cars is seriously heating up. Kyoto, the Japanese tuner behind Pandem and Rocket Bunny, has created a body kit for the C8. Kyoto has gone with an all-out attack on the sensors. The Pandem C8 looks like an RC car than an actual sports car. Changes to the exterior are numerous. It's bagged out and dropped to the floor, and rests on a set of massive 5-spoke wheels. The car features wide-body fenders, an aggressive front loop and massive side sills, as well as a rear wing that looks seriously like it belongs on the back of a modern Ferrari F40. Pandem and Rocket Bunny tend to stick close to the original renderings when building new kits. The estimated cost would be around $5,000. The rear wing would cost additional. There is no doubt that this is one of the wildest kits for the C8 Corvette yet, and should draw a lot of attention from American customers.